Good day to my future employer. I am Petronio Librado. I am 52 years old. From the Philippines. I am married and have two children. My son is 29 years old. My daughter is 24 years old. And I'm currently here in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. Since 2013, the previous employer, I worked for them for 10 years. Taking care of 4 dogs, cleaning the spacious garden, cleaning the car every day, keeping the swimming pool in good condition. I repair iron fences and gates by welding, and also do house painting and have a little knowledge of electrical, and also know housework and many others. That's what I've been doing for 10 years. First of all, I'm trustworthy, know how to listen to instruction, can perform all tasks whether the employer is present or not. I am hardworking. And now, at my second employer, I work for them for 2 years, taking care of 5 dogs, 3 cats, car washing every morning, and then gardening and housework, and many others. These are my role for 2 years. And when I was in the Philippines, I was a very humble person. And I am construction worker as a carpenter, masonry, tile setting, and painter. With the Lord help, I hope I will have the chance to work again with a third employer, so that the blessing for my family will continue. Thank you. And I thank you to my future employer.